Introducing the new Home Comfort Top-Load Portable Washing Machine, which comes in cutting-edge design, revolutionary innovation, high-efficient cleanness, large capacity and compact space design. With specific new designing of a soft closing door, wide tempered glasses, PCM stainless silver body, LED display. Super easy to move around without pushing or pulling hard. With a new feature of locking the wheels so it won't simply move. The advanced technology of the new filters, which will make the washing much better and faster. New features are durable and luxurious body, double geared clutch more stable and quiet, double F liters capture 99% lint, heavy duty caster easily moved by one person without lifting. Save time and money with this perfect portable fully auto washing machine from Home Comfort. Let Home Comfort do it for you. Call us today.